In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add column in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, you should be able to see in here this page. Proceed to click on this Get Started option in order to create an account right here. So from there, you can just proceed to this and you can sign in. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on the sign in option that we have. So you can use your account that you use on OneDrive as well as Word because all of those that you have are actually connected. So let's proceed to sign in right here in order to open it. Now here is my actual Microsoft Loop. I already have in here my page. Now in order to add a column, what we can do is we first need to click onto this plus icon just beside this. And from in there, you can see all of these options right here. So we have in here some tables, canon boards, and the likes. So for this case, a column is typically associated with a table. So let's click on this table option right here. We already have column 1 and column 2. So let's add another one. To do so, just click onto this drop down or this arrow. After that, click on insert. And once you have clicked on that, you can choose to insert one column to left or to right, essentially adding a column to this table that we have on Microsoft Loop. So let's add one to the left, and here we have this. So for this case, you can just proceed to rename your column that you have right here, change right here what's been added, and sort it according to your liking, edit it out, and creating new options right here, depending on what you want added. So for this, you can just rename them and do it as you please right here. And if you want to delete a column, just click onto this and click on delete in order to delete it altogether. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.